Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Friday Night Funkin version of Hatsune Miku. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of her face. Draw a short line down here. Then at the bottom, curve it out for the cheek, and then back in. Now curve it back up to the left. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw two curves for the tops of the eyes. Make the left a bit more curved down like this. Then draw long U shapes for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now add a small curve at the top of each eye for the eyelashes. Next, draw the mouth underneath towards the bottom left. Let's start drawing the hair now. Draw a curved V shape in between the eyes. Next, from the left side, draw a curve down to close off the side of the face. Then a curve across at the top here. Next, from the right line, draw a curved line upwards. Then curve it down to close off the face. Now bring that line downwards. And then close off this section of hair with a bent line on the right. Let's draw the top section of hair now with a curvy line across here. Then close off this piece of hair like this. Let's draw the left pigtail now. Draw an angled S-curve on the top left here. From the right side of the line, draw a long S-curve down. Next, draw a pointed line at the top to fill in the gap. And another pointed line under. Follow that same shape inside now. And color this inside section black. Next, close off the section of hair next to the face like this. Now let's finish off the pigtail. Draw a long curve from the top and curve it in at the bottom. Draw a similar curve in on the right side. Now add a smaller section of hair down on the left. And then close it off with a large curve section. Next, behind the section of hair to the left of the face, draw a curved line. Next, let's start drawing the right pigtail. On the top right of the head, draw 2 upside-down V shapes. And then a curve upwards. Now curve it down to the top section of hair. And continue that line underneath and curve it outwards. And then add a small curve inwards at the bottom. Let's leave the hair like this for now and we'll come back to it later. Let's draw the body next, starting with her tie. Draw a square shape under her chin. And then the tie shape below. Now draw the shape of her arm on the left. Next, add a stripe at the bottom. And another one near the top of her arm. At the bottom now, draw her thumb with a curve outwards to the right and back in. Then add 2 half circles on the other side of her hair for her fingers. Next, from under her chin point, draw a curve down to the arm. On the right side of the tie knot, draw a diagonal line down and then curve it back up. Next, draw the left side of her body with a curve down here. Let's draw the right side of the body now with a curve here. And then a straight line down. And then a curve outwards. Now close off the bottom of her top with V shapes to the bottom point of the tie. Next, add 2 small black rectangles on the right side of her shirt here, overlapping her tie. Let's draw her skirt next. Draw curves outwards on both sides. Next, draw the pleats starting from the center and working your way outwards. Let's draw her right arm and hand now. Draw a curve up here for her right shoulder. Next, move down and draw a curve outwards for her arm. Now to draw the hand. Start with a line across that has 2 bumps. Then under it, an open rectangle shape for the finger. And now a pointed finger next to it like this. And close off the hand with 3 bumps down to her skirt. Let's draw the microphone now. Draw a circle shape above her hand here. Then inside at the bottom, draw 2 curves. And now add the detailed lines inside. Now that we've finished most of her body, we can finish her hair now. Draw a curved section to the right of her face like this. And then 2 curves down at the bottom of her pigtail. Leave a small gap in between the lines. Now in between, draw a curve upwards to close it off. Lastly, let's draw her legs. From the bottom left of her skirt, draw a line downwards with a slight S-curve to it. From the middle of her skirt, draw a parallel line down, but continue it a bit further. Then close it off at the bottom. Now do the same thing for the other leg, but curve it in the opposite direction. Now add 2 curves near the top of her legs here. And that's it for Hatsune Miku. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.